Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to take a class on this e-waste management. The first unit it will covers what are the types of waste, what are the e-waste hazardous, and what are the properties of the e-waste. In e-waste, how as a global scenario, how e-waste is there, and for Indian market, how e-waste is there, and how the growth of electrical and electronic industry in India, and in India, how the e-waste generation will be there. In this e-waste, what are the composition will be there, then what are the possible hazardous substances present in e-waste, then occupational, environmental and health implication. This is what we are going to see in our today's class. So the first one is, how many people knows what is e-waste? I don't know. Here the main definition for the e-waste is, here now you can see today's gadget, tomorrow waste. So today whatever you have this electronics item like phones, laptops, TV, washing machine, whatever it may be, tomorrow it is a waste only. So the definition for the e-waste is nothing. It is a discarded electrical and electronic equipment including used like phones, computer appliances and more. So this is the definition for e-waste management. So these are the some of the types of e-waste. Suppose if you see here, you can see the computers and laptops. This is a PC machine. So from that you can generate lot of e-waste. Then here you can see the monitors, keyboards and mouse. Here also we can generate e-waste. Here you can see some tablets, notebooks and phones. Here see after some period totally we can discard this all this material, so everything it will come under waste only. Then if you take printers and scanners, then servers, all your computers servers, then whatever this telephone equipments and all these cables, wherever we are connecting the cables, so all the cables, all this it comes under the waste only. So these are the some of the household items in day-to-day life we are using. One is large household appliances such as we can take refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners, etc. When we take small house appliances, you can take some toasters, coffee makers, hair dryers. So these are the some of the examples for some small household appliances. When we take this ICT, now people are talking about everything, it will be ICT like information and communication technology equipments. So these are nothing, it is a computers, laptops, printers, mobile phones, TVs, etc. Then consumer electronics like cameras, video game consoles, speakers, etc. Then electrical tools such as drills, saws, sanders, etc. Then lighting equipments like fluorescent lamps, LEDs, all those things under the types of waste. Then medical device such as your X-ray machines, pacemakers, everything it will be comes under the category of types of e-waste only. These are the some of the e-waste hazardous properties, because since it is a very toxic, there is a hazardous substance like in this, some chemicals will be there. Some chemicals such as lead, mercury, arsenic, cadmium and flame retardants. And it will leads to our environment also. It leads to soil, water, and because of that we are totally everything it is getting in air is also getting polluted. So it is harmful to for our ecosystems, and also it is harmful to human health also. Then health risk also it is coming. Due to this hazardous property e-waste, people may cause some respiratory problems, because people they have to for breathing also they are having problems. And for some pregnant ladies, for birth defect, if they are breathing everything, they can get the birth defect. And sometimes there may be a possibility of neurological disorders and even maybe cancer also possible. So these are the some of the hazardous properties. And if you take India, so in India we can assume it how much tons of e-waste we are generated. Here I have the backup in the year of 2019. In India almost we are starting from 7,71,215 to now It is 32 lakh 30,000 tons of e-waste we are doing. Mainly the e-waste is mainly due to this is computer equipments only. 68% it is covered only due to this computer equipment, and all your telecommunication equipment it will cover 12%, and your electrical equipment covers 8%, and your medical equipment covers 7%, and other some 5% which includes the household e-scrap area. So these all are covers under this e-waste. So mainly this is the composition of e-waste. Mainly it is due to this computer equipments. This is the major part it is contributing. So this is the data which was given by the ASSOCHAM Council of Climate Change and Environmental Report. They have given this report. This is the maximum consumption in e-waste for particularly in India. So these are the some of the composition of Indian scenario of e-waste. One is mainly due to metals. As I said earlier, mainly it is due to this computers. So from that computers mostly we are getting this metals. So almost metals it is generating almost 60.2 percentage. Plastics generating 15.21 percentage, and the metal plastic mixture is 4.97 percentage. Cables is 1.97 percentage. Screens, that is CRT and LCD, it is covering almost 11.87 percentage. PCB is 1.71 percentage. Others 1.38 percentage. And our pollutant is almost 2.7 percentage it is there. So this is the scenario of the e-waste. If you take Maharashtra, Maharashtra is the leading state which is consuming more e-waste. So Maharashtra, they are consuming 19.8 percentage, because since it is a metropolitan city and all the mega, all your computers, all your IT centers are in mainly in Mumbai. So this 19.8 percentage it was consumed by Maharashtra people, and Tamil Nadu it comes under the second category, that is 13.1 percentage. Andhra Pradesh 12.5 percentage, Uttar Pradesh 10.1 percentage, West Bengal 9.8 percentage, Delhi 9.5 percentage, Karnataka 8.9 percentage, Gujarat 8.8 percentage, and Madhya Pradesh 7.6 percentage. So Maharashtra is the leading one, and Madhya Pradesh is in the top 10, and Madhya Pradesh comes under the 10th category. So these are the growing heap. Like if you take this e-waste, when it is when we are digitally we are dumping into the dustbin, so it gets almost our ecosystem also it is getting spoiled. When you are taking this e-waste, when it is getting accumulated in the year 2017 to 18, it is almost 7 lakhs. When it comes under the category of in the year 18 to 19, it is 7 lakh 50,000, and in the year 2019 to 20, almost it is 10 lakh e-waste is there. In 20 to 21, it is almost 13 lakhs. In 21 to 22, it is almost 16 lakhs. So all the figures, it comes in the tons. Almost you imagine it is a 16 lakh tons. Then into 1000, if you put, so many millions of e-waste is generated, and this report it will be given by the CPCB only. So these are the some of the growth of electrical and electronic industry in India. Nowadays, people are we can't use the we can't tell the people not to use the electronics or electrical item, because we are living in the fast growing sector and we are living in the technology world. So now electronics and electrical industry, it is the one of the major fastest growing sector in the country. When we take increasing disposable income and urbanization or driving the demand for electronic devices. So some technological advances leads to shorter lifespans and frequent devices. Because of due to this, almost we are contributing more and more e-waste generation. So now we are living in the electrical and electronic industry. So lot of technology movement, some advancement is there. So because of that, our lifespan also it is getting reduced. We will